Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, it is time for a brand new sale that's going on at Kroger, and I'm actually dividing this up into two videos today on the first day of the event, July 5th through the 11th of 2023. So this particular video is going to focus specifically on the beauty event, and I'll get into that a little bit more here in just a second. But do take note that you need to make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because I'm going to be coming out with another video a little bit later in the day on your must-do deals for the mega sale that's going on. Or if you're watching this after the 5th, go look for two videos for July 5th through the 11th. One is the beauty event that you're watching now, and one is going to be all of the mega deals, the weekly digitals and things like that. I just had so many deals that it was just going to make one video like an hour long, so I decided to go ahead and split it into two. So we're going to take a look here at this beauty event here, and let me explain it and show you how you can figure out your own scenarios as well. All right, so let me explain the beauty event real quick. I'm going to show you how you can find all of the participating items without even leaving your home, and then we're going to jump into some scenarios for you to find out. So first, the beauty event that is going on, you have select items, participating items, I should say, that you need to get to $15 minimum. Once you hit $15, $5 comes off instantly, and then you have other things that you can put with it. Any kind of digital or printable or insert coupons to take it down even further. And of course, you can also submit to rebate apps to get money back as well. You can also go in multiples of 15. So if you are like at $28, you might as well find something else to throw in there to hit that $30 price point, because you're going to have another $5 come off. So every $15, $5 comes off. So if you hit 45, you're going to have $15 come off, and so forth. So let me show you how you can find all of the participating items. So I do regularly get this question of how I find all of the items that are a part of the beauty event. And I wanted to show you real quick so you can put together your own scenarios without even having to leave your house. I know I personally find this much easier to do before I get into the store, instead of me trying to figure it all out and do the math in the store in the middle of the aisle, and people stare at you and it's crazy. So you don't have to rely on just the stickers in the store. You can actually figure out the beauty event for yourself. So what you want to do is go to Kroger.com. I would just stay away from the app because it doesn't necessarily show you on the app which items are participating, but go on a laptop or a desktop and go to Kroger.com. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the very middle where it says savings. Okay, so the savings button, we're going to click that, and it's going to drop down with some options. Now, sometimes you're going to see specific promotions like the buy 3 or more, save $2 each that's currently going on, or they use the 5 times digital coupon deal that are happening. But right now, we do not see beauty event listed anywhere on here. So we're going to just click on shop all promotions. All right, so that's going to take you to this main page here. We're going to scroll down. We have the top deals there, which I have to say the sodas for just $1 still a really great deal. We also have like the Thursday, Friday, and Saturday only save 10 when you spend 75. If you're looking for that digital coupon, this is where you would find that as well. So make sure that is loaded. Oh my goodness, put that together with your beauty event. You could have some pretty sweet deals because that'd be 10 off. All right, we also have our weekly digitals. We're going to keep coming down. We have our mega sale deals that are happening. And then we're going to keep scooting down. Now, this one is actually going to go almost to the very bottom. Shop more savings. So you have school supplies. We have 4 times the fuel points. We have spend 40, save 10 on baby items. We also have cherries apparently, but the last one here is the spend 15, save 5 on the beauty event. We're going to click on that. And now this is going to take you to the next page where Everything you need to know about participating items is here. So the thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't clearly indicate beauty event. I wish there was some sort of little like sticker or something to acknowledge that these are the beauty event. But knowing that you're on this page means that these are beauty event items. Okay. So don't leave this page. You also can't search the individual products. Because it won't let you know for sure that it's beauty. You just have to make sure you're on this page. But yeah, you can scroll down. As you can see, we have things like the Banana Boat sunscreen here, and there is a $2 digital coupon. You can click on it. You can check out the details of the digital coupon if you'd like, to see if there's, if it's 2 back on 1 or something like that. But you could use that in a scenario. We can keep scrolling down and see all of the items that are participating and all of the digital coupons that are available as well. This is a really super easy way to do this. I think it's a pretty, I don't know. It's not hard to put together scenarios. So I basically sit on this page and go through all the items. Now, when you get down to the bottom, it will say load more results, or back to the top. All you have to do is click load more. Now, I've already gone through everything and put the scenarios together for you. So I've already gone to the very bottom, but I probably clicked the load more probably 5 or 6 times. I don't even know, till I got to the very bottom. Once you get down to the bottom of your participating items and there's no more, it just will not give you the option of load more results. It'll just say back to the top, and that'll be everything that is participating at that particular time. So this is the way you can check out how to put together your own scenarios, or just take a gander at what is participating. All right, let's talk some deals here. So I'm going to show you a couple of easy scenarios, no coupons needed, maybe a product that you really enjoy. So the OGX shampoo and conditioners that are regularly priced $8.99 are on sale for $7.99. Grabbing 2 of them is going to take you up to $15.98. Now, no coupons needed for this deal. There's nothing to add to it, but you're going to just get $5 off instantly. So that's going to leave you at a final cost of $10.98 total, or $5.49 each. So just an easy enough deal to do without any complications. All right, next scenario here would be maybe you buy Kotex Tampons. If you're needing some tampons, this might be a decent deal for you. These are regularly priced $8.49. You want to grab 2 of them. The total will take you to $16.98. And since we hit that $15 threshold, $5 comes off instantly at checkout. Plus, we can use this 4 off 2 digital coupon, and the final cost is $7.98 total, or $3.99 each. So we went to over 50% off from the product's original price of $8.49. So you're grabbing 2 of them for less than what it would have cost one. I think that's a pretty decent deal. All right, next scenario here is the Olay Body Wash 22 ounce. You want to grab 3 of them. They're regularly priced $7.49, and they're on sale for $6.99. So 3 of them does take you up to $20.97. So this might be one of those that you want to combine with a couple of other items. You may want to get to $30 since you're already over that $20 mark. But if you're just going to stick with this deal, $5 comes off instantly. Plus we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. Make sure that's loaded, and your final cost ends up being $10.97 total, or $3.66 each, which is a pretty decent deal. But I know there's lots of like face washes and different things like that that are just like a $9 price point. You may want to grab one of those and throw it into your cart and use whatever digital coupons come with it to get, another $5 off and another product for a really cheap price. All right, so this is probably the most complicated deal we're going to have today. I don't know, you might think the other ones are complicated, but this one is, we're going to be doing lots of different things. So you want to grab 2 of the Old Spice stick deodorants that are regularly priced $6.29 and on sale for $5.99. Now, I also would make sure you have your Ibotta out in store and that you're scanning these sticks of deodorant just to make sure that whatever you pick is also attaching to the Ibotta rebate. And then grab 1 of the Old Spice body washes that's regularly priced $7.99, on sale for $6.99. Same exact thing here. In store, make sure you're scanning into Ibotta to make sure that it connects to this Ibotta rebate. So your total is $18.97. $5 comes off instantly, plus we do have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. It is good for both the Old Spice deodorant and for the body wash. If you read all the fine print, I know it looks like it just says Old Spice deodorant, but if you read the fine print, it's for several different Old Spice products, including the body wash. So out of pocket ends up being $8.97, but then Ibotta has 2 different rebates we're going to submit to. The 2 back on 1 for the deodorant, it's a limit of 2 times, so we're only going to get $4 back there, and then the body wash also has its own separate 2 back on 1 limit of 2 times. You get $2 back there. Final cost after $6 back is going to be $2.97 total, or basically just 99 cents each, which is not a bad stock up price. If you are needing this, of course, if you've been watching my Walgreens videos over the last few weeks, you might already be pretty stocked up on deodorant and stuff like that and have gotten it for free. So, and by the way, if you haven't seen my Walmart video for this current week, I just put it out yesterday on 4th of July, and you need to watch it because it is really, really good. I got some really great deals for you, including Old Spice body wash and deodorant deals. So you can go check those out. And if you have a spin booster, you might be able to even get them free at Walgreens. All right, next deal here is if you need some toothpaste, to stock up on toothpaste. I'm going to be honest with you, in general, we do not pay for toothpaste. It needs to be free or a moneymaker. But I did go ahead and throw together this scenario mainly because we're going to get 2 toothpaste that are normally priced $7.49 and another 2 that are regularly priced $5.49. So if you like that more higher end, more expensive toothpaste, than more of the cheap stuff we can get for free all the time, you may want to do this deal because it's not a bad deal. But I'm going to pass on it because I don't pay money for toothpaste. So you want to grab 2 of the Crest Pro Health Densified toothpaste that are regularly priced $7.49, on sale for $6.99. 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste that are regularly priced $5.49, on sale for $4.99. And 1 of the Crest Complete Plus toothpaste that's regularly priced $3.99. And then 1 of the Crest 3D White that's regularly priced $3.29 and on sale for $2.99. Now here's the caveat. Do not buy 2 of the cheaper $2.99 toothpaste and leave out the Complete Plus. It will leave you like 4 cents or 6 cents shy of hitting the $30 to get $10 off. So you do need to buy a little bit more expensive toothpaste there with this 2 off 2 digital coupon, just so that you hit that $30, okay? So $10 is going to come off instantly because you hit $30 threshold, or $30.94 is your total. We're going to have a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Densify, the 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Total, and the 2 off 2 for the Plus and the 3D White. So all that comes off, and it leaves you at a final cost of $9.94 total, or $1.66 each, which is a really, really great deal for all of these toothpaste, these very expensive toothpaste. Now, I actually have my fingers crossed, since this is probably going to be a 2-week spend 15, save 5 on beauty, that maybe Ibotta will throw in some rebates for the Crest toothpaste. So in the past, we have seen $2 to $3 back on the densified toothpaste. So if that's the case, then this may end up being a pretty sweet deal. Now, obviously, you can take any of these Crest or Colgate toothpaste and, use that scenario with another scenario, so you can make sure that you hit, 15 or 30 or whatever it may be, and you don't have to buy all 6 of these toothpaste. So take that into note. One other thing, I didn't throw a picture up, but there is a spend deal on Fetch for the Colgate toothpaste. We would not hit it, but you definitely want to submit your receipt to Fetch because it will start accumulating money towards that goal. Next scenario that we have here has to do with the Secret deodorant. Now, I put in the Secret Outlast deodorant, so I grabbed 2 of them. You do have to make sure you grab either 2 of the Outlast, or you could replace this with the Secret fresh deodorant and you have grabbed 2 of them, but you can't mix and match them for the Ibotta rebate. So just make sure you grab 2 of either one, okay? So grab 2 of the Outlast deodorant for this particular scenario. They're regularly priced $6.29, on sale for $5.99. And grab 1 of the Dove shampoo and conditioners. That's really my filler item to get us to $15. Obviously, you might even want to stick the 2 deodorants with like the scenario earlier where you needed like $9-10 more to get to 30. So that might be an option for you too. So anyway, this Dove shampoo and conditioner is regularly priced $4.49 and on sale for $3.99. So that's going to take us up to our threshold of $15. So we have $15.97 total. $5 comes off instantly. Plus we have $1 off 2 digital coupon for the Secret. And it will work on the Outlast or the Fresh. So either or, but you do have to grab 2 of the same, just a reminder. So out of pocket is $9.97. And then we do have an Ibotta rebate for 2, back on 2 for the Outlast. If you do happen to go with the Fresh, there is a separate Ibotta rebate for 2, back on 2. Final cost ends up being $7.97 total, or $2.66 each. Not a terrible deal there for all 3 products. Like I said, you might be able to put something else together. All right, next scenario that I have for you, I just tried to find some things that had some digital coupons to make it super easy on everybody. So grab 1 of the Neutrogena cream facial cleansers that are regularly priced $6.29. There's also some other facial cleansers from Neutrogena with the same digital coupon that are closer to $9 or $10 if you prefer those products. But this is one of the cheaper products. And then grab 1 of the U by Kotex teen pads that's regularly priced $3.29 and 1 of the U by Kotex clean and secure pads that's regularly priced $3.99. Now you are going to need to get the one of the more expensive teen pads to get us over that $15 threshold. So you can't grab 2 of the clean and secure, although you could with the digital coupon. It won't get you to that 15. So again, just for this particular scenario, you can come up with your own scenario and grab 2 of the cheaper Kotex if you wish. So $5 comes off instantly because you hit that $15 threshold of $15.57. We have a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Neutrogena, and we also have a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Kotex. Now do note I used this digital coupon on an earlier scenario for tampons. So once you use that digital, it will be gone. So it's kind of an either or type of deal depending on what you want. So final cost ends up being $4.57 total, or basically just $1.52 each, which I actually think that's a really great deal for all 3 products, $1.52 each. All right, guys, so those are the scenarios I put together for you this morning. Obviously, we'll have new rebates pop up. We'll also have new coupons pop up over the next 2 weeks. So we'll see different scenarios pop up throughout the weeks. If you put anything together, even if you're using and matching some of the scenarios that I have, put it in the comments below and we'll give you a shout out if I use your deal in the next video. But definitely so we can share and we can all get really great deals. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for that must do deals video, or go ahead and watch it if it's already out. Have a wonderful week, and I'll probably be back with you a lot this week on deals because it's going to be a good one. I can already tell. Bye guys.